Welcome to ASAPPAYS BTC, the ultimate platform for buying, sending, receiving, and trading Bitcoin and gift cards effortlessly. In this video, we'll guide you step by step to get started. First, download ASAPPAYS BTC from our official website. Once downloaded, tap Install. If you're using Android, make sure to enable Install from unknown sources. Now, open the app and create an account. Enter your email, set a strong password, and verify your details. To unlock all features, complete your KYC, upload a valid ID, and wait for approval. It's quick and secure. Are you ready to start trading? Log in to access your personal dashboard. Send Bitcoin by entering a wallet address. To receive Bitcoin, share your wallet address or QR code. It's fast and secure. Buy Bitcoin instantly by choosing your payment method. Swap Bitcoin for other cryptocurrencies in seconds. It's that simple. Trade gift cards effortlessly. Upload details, confirm the trade, and watch your balance update instantly. Need help? Tap the chat button to connect with our support team anytime. Stay updated with important alerts. Find all your notifications under the bell icon. Now you are all set. Download ASAPPAYS BTC today and start trading with ease.